Intro. Welcome to this step-by-step procedure on formulating tile and bowl cleaner. Tile and bowl cleaning is an essential task in maintaining the cleanliness of your homes and offices. In this video, we will discuss the ingredients, preparation, and formulation of tile and bowl cleaner. Step 1. Ingredients. To formulate tile and bowl cleaner, you will need the following ingredients: white vinegar, baking soda, Castile soap, hot water, TSP tablet spice powder. Essential oils optional. Step 2. Preparation. To begin, fill a spray bottle with hot water and add a few drops of essential oils. Dip the spray bottle in hot water to sterilize it. Now, take a clean, dry bowl and pour a half cup of warm water into it. Add a half TSP of TSP to the water. Sprinkle baking soda over the surface of the bowl and mix it well. Add a few drops of essential oil into the water to give it a fresh scent. Spray the mixture over the bowl and use a microfiber cloth to clean it thoroughly. Step 3. Formulation. Now, take a clean, dry bowl and mix a quarter cup of white vinegar and 1 cup of Castile soap. Add 2 cups of hot water to the mixture and stir it well. Once the mixture is well mixed, pour it into the previously prepared spray bottle. Add a few drops of essential oil into the solution to give it a fresh scent. Spray the solution over the tile surface and use a microfiber cloth to clean it. Rinse the bowl with warm water and add a few drops of essential oil into the water to give it a fresh scent. Repeat the process to get the desired cleanliness. Conclusion. That's it. You have successfully formulated tile and bowl cleaner. This cleaner is eco-friendly and effective in removing stains and dirt from tile and bowls. It's perfect for use in kitchens, bathrooms, and other areas with ceramic or glass tile surfaces. Thanks for watching this step-by-step procedure on formulating tile and bowl cleaner.